What's up guys, and welcome to a brand new video. This is a exclusive video because we are finally not talking about Python and programming and other complex things like that. But this is the very introduction to a brand new series unique in the whole world. Well, in a way. This is the Vedic Mathematics series. The reason this is unique is, you know what? I'll tell you later. So, this is a presentation on the very origin, the person who made Vedic Mathematics. So, everything I'll talk about will be based off of this book. Of course, it's Vedic Mathematics. It's by Jagadguru Swami Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji Maharaj. And it was published in 1965. So, everything is in this book. So, if you want to get it, that's everything I'm going to be talking about. So, about the author, of course, he was born on March 14th, 1884, and he died on February 2nd, 1960. His father was Sri P. Narsimha Shastri. His mother is unfortunately not listed anywhere. So, him as a person, he was amazing. He was very intelligent. He got 7 masters simultaneously, covering Sanskrit, mathematics, English, philosophy, history, and science. He was an absolute genius. Now, that's him on the left, of course, as an adult, and that's his guru on the right. So, he taught at this university, the National College at Rajahmundry, and he taught there for 3 years as the principal. I'm sorry, he was the principal. Yeah. Okay. And after that, he was in tapasya for 8 years. This is the main thing. This is how we got Vedic mathematics. So he received the 16 sutras, which are on the screen right now, by being in tapasya, in research. So he did 8 years of serious research and got all of these 16 sutras. Okay, so after that, he created 16 books, each covering a sutra. But unfortunately, they were lost and disappeared. All of that knowledge disappeared. And again, this is a very efficient way to do math. So he had to recreate whatever he could before he passed away. So this is the book we have. This is only the introductory. This is the introduction book of whatever we have, Vedic Mathematics. So here are the things we're going to be covering. Division, multiplication, factoring, the greatest common factor, polynomial equations, and algebra. So these are just the topics, right? There are 16 sutras, and the sutras are not organized by the topics themselves. But we're going to be going through all of these, and the reason why this series is so unique, we're going to be implementing everything he talks about, sutra-wise, and putting them in Python. So we're going to have a fully functional Vedic mathematics calculator in Python, which is a much more efficient calculator than the ones we have today. So yeah, this is the introduction of the Vedic Mathematics series, and I will catch you on the very first video. See ya later!